But I honestly think, just looking at it, I think you need to tack it again where we run all over it.
Shit, I ran out of tack. I didn't. It was backed up this morning. I said, just come on, let's tack.
Well,
They've been at 3 hours. They were filling up tankers.
send somebody's ass to go get some.
I can
Sean,
send
that is
Sean.
a great thing for Sean to go do right now.
I know.
Go get some more because you're going to need it. Like, and I mean, this right here, if you don't get that tacked,
Oh, it's not gonna stay.
yeah. Where's your broom bucket?
On the other side.
That needs to be swept and tacked again. I'm afraid that right there is going to slide. Echa esta máquina aquí con la escoba y limpia aquí.
Okay.
Y allá también, ok. En el otro lado, con la escoba. Y echa más tack cuando Sean se venga aquí.
Okay.
What just happened? What's the issue?
All right, so not really an issue. It's just me being me. Just seeing that we've got some places as we're tracking on it that the tack is coming up. One of my pet peeves is lack of tack. So the last thing that we want is to lay down a 2-inch overlay on this asphalt and have it slide. So I just went to dock and the crew told them we need to get more tack. They told me that they ran close, almost out this morning. So running machinery in here, dumping on it, and then tracking across it with a skid steer. It's probably not a terrible thing, but just I would rather spend a little bit of extra time and a little extra money just to ensure that this thing's going to hold up. So we're sending Sean, who is actually our lowboy driver, to run and fill up with tack right quick and come back to us. He's about 10 minutes from the tack plant from where we are, so that's a plus. We'll get that done, but it's just one of those little things that I'd just rather go above and beyond than to risk the tack not sticking the way that it should.